So then the next one is a 7-day evaluation, and this is just an example as well. This one right here is all basically telling you what to do. I mean, yeah, Instagram followers, evaluate your growth and double down on the platform that are producing the best results. Like I said, check them status, and you starting to realize, okay, Facebook, I'm getting this. I did that on Facebook. I sent these many DMs out. Now you gotta write. My plan for the next 7 days is to do what exactly? And like I said, you can extend it. You can do what I'm doing for a month, and then that might even help you even more. It's just get you started. Other than that, reach out to me. Or reach out to Miss Ray Von Shea herself. And other than that, I'm finna put this right here. It's gonna be in the link in below, so you can get one yourself. We do got hardbacks for the people that want the hardbacks, but otherwise, just go ahead and get the printable to start it off, so you can get it. You can do a review video too, and let people know how you feel about the SBC, successful by choice. What we say? Successful by choice. Say it for them. Say it. Say successful by choice. All right. With my brother Phase Waves, man, we out here doing big things in Vegas. Other than that, we catch y'all later. Alright.